If you're currently building a personal brand online and you want to make more than $10,000 a month, then this video is for you, my friend, because I'm recording these videos exactly to show you what it takes to go from 0 to 10K a month and just beyond, okay? Those videos are just raw content of me showing you exactly what it takes. But I'm no professional in that matter. I haven't yet attained this goal of $10,000 a month. I'm just showing you from the ground up. Like, I have built 55 videos of me documenting my journey to go exactly through that. And at first I started with absolutely no idea, okay? Like absolutely nothing. I just knew that I was good at some things, which was speaking, writing, teaching. And that's why I decided at first to go on Substack to create a newsletter, right? And then I decided to go on X and to post on YouTube right now to document this journey. So yeah, so far so good, right? I have built a little bit of audience. I have built my brand and people know me for some things. And right now my business is centered around helping creators, entrepreneurs, founders to sell their high ticket offers and to do all of the outreach part for them. I do the branding, I do the positioning, and then I help them with the acquisition system that I install for them. And it's a pretty good thing actually, because it works actually for my own, and it works for also my clients, because it's simple math, okay? We just define exactly the target audience. And once this is done, because this is the massively important part right now, is to define whom you are targeting to and the kind of people that can actually benefit from your product and that can buy your product, not just followers, okay? You're just not talking to followers, you're talking to customers. So whether you're building your brand on X or YouTube or whatever platforms, right? TikTok, Instagram, it's always about having in mind that you are building a system to make sure that this system is working for you, and even without you working on the system right now to get customers, which is creating content that actually produce results even when you're sleeping, right? And it's about positioning yourself well enough to make sure that you are really targeting a need that people really reward, that the market reward actually. And that's the most important part. Is I spent fucking month, just positioning myself to make sure that I had a product, a viable product. And at first I talked about connection, right? Human connections, and that's still kind of in the same range, right? But I talked about helping others to just connect each other way more and just socialize better, eradicate social anxiety, all that stuff. But that doesn't bring real pain. That doesn't touch the points of 4 of the main categories that your offer must touch upon, which is wealth, health, pain, physical pain, and love. Okay? If you touch those 4 categories of human nature, those essentials, actually, then you will just completely struggle to sell your offer, because the market doesn't reward a mindset quote, for example. It doesn't reward like, I just want to feel better. No, if you're selling to people to just feel better, to be more joyful, to have a better mindset and all that stuff, it will not work, okay? Maybe there's going to be like 3 of your friends and your mom maybe is going to buy this product, but not hundreds and thousands of customers on a constant basis, on retainers, right? None. Because you need to touch those things. So I decided to go and use my skill of outreach, actually, because I did that by the past like crazy amount of times, and I have a pretty good story, okay? If my friend is actually watching this, Thomas Labrigan, okay? And I hope you don't mind me saying your name, buddy, but yeah, I mean, we have lived such crazy stuff together, and that was fantastic, and we built a great business, and we have collected hundreds of thousands of dollars in investors' seed, private funds and all, and I have outreached thousands of people, millionaires, and to just meet them in person and just pitch my offer, right? And that was crazy time. That was so great anyway, and we did successful. We were successful at that, but then we just ended up closed the company, but for other reasons. And the thing is, I just really have the skills of outreach, of connection, of talking to people, of knowing about human nature and all of that. So that's something I love to do. And so that's something I wanted to do, but in a business way and to just get rewarded, okay? So yeah, my name is Anthony and I'm 29 years old right now. And for the past 9 years, I built a pretty good amount of projects and some companies, failing absolutely like crazy, you would not even imagine. And yeah, at the age of 21, I went into real debt. Okay, I bought real estate, I sold real estate, I used the money, I lost the money, and then I owed the money. Simple, right? Simple math. But in the end, it works out because you learn very much. You have great experiences and you have great skills that you are forced to actually develop, which is negotiations, copywriting, speaking, listening, teaching, all that stuff. It's marvelous. Okay. And I'm super proud of the man I'm becoming right now because of these. I'm maybe not in a position where I have millions at the moment, but mark my words, yes, I'm on the road for that because I am dedicated. And the one thing that I want to tell you today is you must be focused. You must be singularly focused onto one single thing, right? Not multiple and not deviate. I mean, do not deviate your ways, right? Just focus absolutely and marvelously into one single thing and do that for 6 to 12 months with relentless dedication, right? This is what you need to eradicate all sorts of distraction and all of that stuff. That's what I did. I haven't watched a movie, for example, for like 4 months. I haven't played any. I mean, I have played some sports, like because I run, I do some stuff, but I haven't watched, for example, sports. I haven't played chess because I love to play chess and all that stuff. So I have really and yeah, it's part of the game, it's part of the deal, and that's what it takes. You have to be concentrated, you have to be focused on one single thing and to freaking do it. And this is what it takes for you to really go above 10k a month and 20 and 30, right? And then you scale and then you hire great teams and then you just use leverage. And so today, I don't have a specific topic. So today is day 55, actually, of me documenting my journey. And it's been, 3 months and a half since I have started this. Really being involved like 3 months ago and like really starting to post on X, all that stuff. And even before that, it's only been a month something since I have this offer. And I've got great clients. And right now I've got 3 more calls in the coming days. And I had 5 clients right now that I'm working on commission basis, and that's super easy to sell, obviously, because then they pay no money upfront, but I do get paid on commission. And I'm working with a guy, and we actually are launching a company in this because his project is pretty big and he wants me to take over some stuff. And so I'm very happy about that, but let's see. So and look at that. It takes a lot of hours. It's fine. And do you see me? I'm not depressed, okay? I'm just full of energy. I'm full of life. And every single day I'm working like 12, 14 hours a day, right? And I take no day off. I took 1 day off for Easter in 4 months. Do you understand? It's not to brag or something at all. Like people work like way harder than me right now. I know that. But it's just to say that you have to be singularly focused, and that's it. That's the name of the game, right? And if you are not, you are missing out of something. And you do not. I mean, you have to stop watching motivational videos and reading self-help books and all that stuff. Okay, it's fine at the beginning to get you a pretty good mental state, if I can say that. But you need experience. You need to get real. You need to get in the game. Okay, to get going. To really do something, to be in a creative state, this is what you need. Nothing else, okay? Action, singular action. So the results are 5 clients. I'm going to embark 3 more clients, maybe not DFY, but DWY, like done for you. Not I cannot like do that, like do everything for them, but I can do it with them, like consult and teach and all that stuff. It's something that I can actually do. We'll see, and then I will hire all other people when I'm gonna have more money in the business. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that was it for today. A little bit more motivational and inspirational, if I can say that, but no crazy advices for today. We're gonna see a lot of stuff going on, and I'm very happy to show you the progress and the mistakes and the failures that I actually make. Those videos are raw content of me showing you exactly what it takes and my own story, if you bother to care, right? So I wish you the best. I hope you're having a great day, and God bless you, and take care. See you.